Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for Instagram. That's very easy and simple, but first I want to apologize for doing a video like this instead of a screen recording. The reason is because Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings. It shows a black screen. But regardless, I'm going to show you how this can be done. Now here I have the Instagram app on my phone. So I'll open this up, okay, the Instagram app. And then what I want you to do is come here at the bottom right and click on your profile icon. Okay, now from here, come here at the top right, click on these three horizontal lines. And what we need to do is click on Account Center. Okay, and from here, just go ahead and select Password and Security, right? Click on a two-factor authentication. Then choose your Instagram account. So choose it right here. And here we go. Choose the Authenticator app. Come here, click on Next, and it should display a key and a code. So you can do a copy key if you are doing it on the same phone. I'm using a different phone, so just click on View Barcode or a QR code. So that's my QR code. And I'll just come here and click on the plus icon at the bottom right. Click on Scan QR code, and our camera will open and we can just scan that. And there we go. We have Instagram connected. And it's really that easy and simple.